We have got a top dog 67 Chevelle SS convertible here. This thing is killer. I mean, it's meticulously done. It's done right. There's about 90 miles on the car since it's been finished. It looks brand new, even underneath. You could lick the suspension. It's that clean. We have photos of the body off frame, rotisserie restoration. You can tell even the shop that it was in and the process of building it, you could tell it was meticulous and clean. And then these two books are all the receipts and literature about all the components and parts that are in the car. So it comes with all this great documentation. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it, look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag along with a monthly finance option. And they'll go like 13 years on a car like this. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. And I should tell you, it's a crate 454 motor. It's a new Tremec 5-speed in there. It's got a posi rear end. Of course, all the suspension is upgraded, drilled and slotted disc brakes. It's got all the good stuff, vintage air. So I just want you to know it's loaded up with all the things you want. So yes, the body was removed from the frame. The body was put on a rotisserie so they could flip it around as they worked on it. So while it was flipped over, the bottom they made like brand new. The floors are this nice. They're painted marina blue and they're clear coated. This is what the underside of the car looks like. Now the chassis, they took the same care. The frame is all painted like a metallic silver color. It's smooth, it's clear coated, and everything under there is new. Nuts, bolts, cables, clamps, you name it, it's new. So the front end, notice the nice stance too. It's sitting on adjustable QA1 coilover gas shocks front and back. And the front end is all entirely new. Tubular control arms, a fatter sway bar. I'm sure it's got some lowering springs, but the steering and suspension, brand new. It's not even dusty. In back, like I said, it has the QA1 shocks. It has a custom control arm system, upper, lower, and some extra bars attaching in between. I don't know the name for it, but it's a custom control arm system. Also has a fat sway bar. They're red sway bars underneath there. The fuel system's all new. The tank is stainless steel and it's polished like chrome. It looks like a mirror. And it has all premium stainless steel braided fuel lines. The brake system is all new. And it has drilled and slotted discs at all four corners. It has an electric emergency brake system. You push a button to set the brake on it, which is nice. It is a stick shift car. The exhaust is all stainless steel pipes, dual exhaust. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. It sounds just right. The body itself, let's check it out. Lines up beautifully, square, straight, no rust, no damage, no body work showing. This is all pristine, absolutely straight. There's not a ripple or a wave. Yeah, the body is just pristine. I don't see any issues. No bubbles, no damage. All lines up beautifully. The paint is laid out real nicely. It's a clear coat finish that's polished like glass. It looks wet, smooth, and glossy. It has the SS raised hood. No dings, no chips, no cracking, no issues at all that I have found to report to you about the paint. Now all of the chrome is new. It has bow tie mirror. All the stainless trim has been replaced. I know the windshield is new, the wiper arms, the grills on the hood, wheel well moldings. It has these fancy LED headlights. I'm not sure what these are called with the strip in the middle there, but they're modern, they're cool looking. Everything up there is new. It's sitting on a set of Foose wheels with some performance tires. They are 17-inch Foose wheels. And the vent window frame looks like it's new. All the rubber gaskets, window seals, they've been replaced. Convertible top is black. That's pictures of that on our website. And the wheels in back are 18-inch, so staggered wheels. Even in the wheel well, it's painted the same gloss blue. And back here, it has the blacked out panel, and all the trim has been replaced. So I got a lot more great stuff to show you. Let's open it up and take a look. All right, let's see what this beautiful car has to offer in the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid, as expected, painted like new. Looks like it has stainless steel bolts. Weather strip is new. But look how it's been boxed and upholstered. It has this really nice trim details. We got a nice boxed floor with a compartment. It's pretty first class. There's a switch here. Oh, we got LED lights. Yeah, this car is nice. When I bought the car, I wasn't getting no bargain. Well, let me rephrase that. It's an expensive car, but you can see why. I completely justified it in my mind. You're getting what you pay for here. This car is outstanding. When I talked about the undercarriage, I forgot to talk about looking up at the motor. It has a nice welded custom extra capacity oil pan. It's a new Tremec 5-speed in there, and all the parts are new. The heavy-duty scatter shield. And the rear end is a performance-built 12-bolt with 355 posi. All sorts of good parts in it. That's all listed on our website. Now, take a look at the door jambs. Look at the latches, the rubber, the hardware, the sill plates. It's like brand new. Well, it is brand new. Door panel, armrest, that's all new. It has some billet hardware. The metal trim on top's painted real slick. Now the dash. I keep saying everything's new. It is. All the knobs, bezels, everything's new. But look at the custom gauge cluster. It still resembles the original, has that retro look, but has full gauges and a tachometer. A retro stereo fits right in the factory spot. Nice AC vents were custom installed. Look how slick the black paint is. Look at the custom kick panels with the speakers. Look how they're upholstered so nicely. New carpet with embroidered mats. Custom made console. Look at the oval vents. It matches the oval lights. The Hurst 5-speed cup holders. And I want to point out, it's kind of special. It has AC and heat blowing to the rear passengers as well. Steering wheel, all new on a tilt column. Seats are completely rebuilt, recushioned. They're custom upholstered. This isn't your standard 67 upholstery. So this is all custom done. And boy, what a nice job they did. Back seats all done. Speakers built into the armrests. LED lights behind the SS grill right there. Now real quick, I want to show you, we put a few of these pictures on our website, but this whole thing is lined. Look at the underneath of the car. All the body is immaculate. Look at the floor is immaculate in the shop. It just gives you an idea of what type of build this is. But the interior of the car is all lined with sound deadener. It's all new wiring throughout the car. Just super meticulous. All right, let's check out the motor. Custom panel under the dash, and there's a little place to plug in and charge your phones and that. So this is a crate, GM Gen 5 crate 454 motor, Holley intake with the ported fuel injection system, MSD ignition system, some nice welded valve covers, set of coated headers, a nice dipstick, premium fuel lines. Everything's painted slick. Of course, there's an Optima battery. That's a Be Cool radiator with dual electric fans. Complete heat and air system with braided stainless hoses and billet brackets. Serpentine belts. Modern power steering, stainless hoses. Willwood master cylinder with chrome brakes. It has an upgraded wiper system. Firewall's been made smooth. I mean, this is show quality. This is slick. This is fresh. This is brand new. Just has a perfect idle, perfect sound. Nice and clean. Just so you know, whoever buys this, it has a neutral safety switch. You have to put it in neutral for it to start. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. I would just absolutely love to just keep on going here, not stop at the gate. It's so real. I tell you what, there's just so many good things that this car has to offer. I forgot to mention it's a black canvas top. It's a nice, rich-looking top. I'm pretty sure it's a glass window. All the glass in the car has been replaced. I think I mentioned all new wiring system with an upgraded fuse block. The seats were completely rebuilt. The springs, the cushions, everything. Outstanding car. Someone's going to get one of the best of the best. You could not build this car for what we're asking. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions. They can help you finance it. They can get it delivered to your door. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.